How to put text behind a person in Capcut. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to put text behind a person in Capcut. Stick around till the end to learn how to pull off this effect. Let's get started. Open Capcut on your mobile device. A home page of Capcut will be prompted. Tap on New Project. There will appear your device's photo library. Select the video where you want to place the text and add it to the timeline. Then you will be prompted to the editing dashboard of Capcut. Here are tools given at the bottom. Tap on Text in the toolbar. Select Add Text, and then type in your desired text. Customize the font, size, and color of the text as needed. Drag the text to the location where you want it to appear behind the person in the video. After adjustments of the text, tap on the video layer. Bottom menu will appear. Scroll through it and select Duplicate. The duplicate video will be connected with the original one. To put text behind, we have to place this video upside down to the original one, so tap on the duplicate video and scroll through the menu. Find and tap on the overlay option. Then drag the duplicate video under the original video. Now select the duplicate video. Scroll through the menu and tap on the Remove Background option to remove the background of the duplicate video. After the completion of the background removal, scroll through the menu again. Tap on the Layers option, which is located beside Filter and Basic. In it, drag the second layer to the first section. After you are done, tap the Tick option. Ensure the text layer is between the original video and the duplicated video layer. This creates the effect of the text being behind the person. Preview the video to make sure the text stays behind the person throughout the clip. And that's how you put text behind a person in Capcut. With just a few steps, you can create a professional-looking effect that makes your videos stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.